laki ng ng buwan. Welcome to IBN Batuto Mall. This is the parking area. One of the parking area. Ang laki ng buwan. There. So this is one of my favorite mall. Kasi it's a themed mall. So when we go inside, we will be in, I think this is Egypt. As you can see, the decoration on the wall. So ito yung Batuto Mall. Decorated yung niya. Yung wall niya. Parang nasa Egypt ka. Yan. Then we are going to go inside. May chuchu train sila.
Wow. Non pas io, già.
Kahit na hindi ka magsha-shopping, if you just wanted to come here, you will get fascinated sa building itself. Diba? Ang ganda ng architecture niya.
Something like that he mentioned. So he's right. So there's no problem.
So now we are going to go to Tunisia Court. So ito yung food court. One of the food court. Dalawa yung food court dito. So ito yung isa, and then yung isa is mas malapit sa metro station. Yan. What? So yan. Punta kami ng Carrefour. Kasi we have to do grocery. So yan. Here merong Chowking. And then sa taas naman merong Jollibee. Sa isang food court. So ito yung Carrefour. Kahit na gabi na, you think na araw pa rin. May araw pa rin. Yan. So mag-grocery shopping kami. We have to get the cart. Buting hindi masyado maraming tao. for a nicer pushcart. Nasira na yung pushcart nila. You push first. So, yan. Why? It's okay. So, ito yung Carrefour. We go here. Need to buy some bottle. Here. Yan, maraming dates. Different kind of dates. So I want to get some yogurt. Wait a moment. Excuse me. Yeah. Hi. I want to get the low fat. So now I am going to get some butter. There's the butter. Oopsie. Ah! Clumsy. So I think I will get 3 butter. Then, aragay. Then I will get some eggs, large eggs.
Step by asking the first one to your supervisor. One to your supervisor to the customer service. Please, thank you.
So many eggs. And now we're going to get some water. This way. Let's see if they have the water. Yes, they have the water. Non-alcoholic drinks. And so, we get this water. I think we will get 4. I think 4 is good. Water. There you go. And then let's go here. All the Cokes, Cola are here. Sakit ang finger ko. And then we will go to the vegetable. Wait, I will get some cheese. Special offer. These are all the fruits, vegetables, meats area. Yeah. So meron silang fresh na vegetable for salad. Yan. And then you can buy from here na hinarvest nila dun sa loob. O, diba? Fresh na fresh. Yan. And one of my favorite is this one, the purple one. Medyo bitter. Bitter siya ng konti. I will look for something na fresh. Yeah. I think this one. See? Oh, it's very nice. Ang gaganda ng salad. Meron silang passion fruit, pero 25.95 ang kilo. Yan. Ito, bunga ng cactus. Yan, they have coconut. Look at their coconut. Yung binabali-bala natin sa Pilipinas. 6.95 dito sa Dubai. Meron din silang sampalok. You can buy almost everything here, but sometimes you just need to pay for the price. Yung banana na to, it could be from the Philippines or Ecuador. Yan. Look at the watermelon. Ang lalaki niya. Ang haba. Wanted to buy one, kaya lang ang bigat. It's only 15 dirhams or 15 pesos per kilo.